Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you're well. Welcome to Backspace. In this easy step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to add a border to specific pages in Microsoft Word instead of applying it to the entire document. Page border are great for cover page, certificates, invitations, reports, and special section of a document. Many users add a border and fixed or find it appears on every page. But in this video we'll learn the correct method using section breaks and page border setting so the border appears only the selected page. So let's get started. We can see here many page here. Now I want to add border only the specific page like first page, second page, third page or any page. Now I am add on the first page. Firstly zoom out the document, go to the view menu and apply the multiple view. Then go back the home menu. Now I go to the design menu and we can see here the page border. Now I am select the box border and click OK. Then we can see here automatically added the all page the border, but I add the border on the first page. Then go back the border option again and make it none, then click OK. Then double click on the header. Then we can see here the header is one section. Now I am go to the last of the first page, go to the layout menu, then click the break drop down menu, choose next page, then remove the space, then double click again the first page header. We can see here the first page header is section 1 and the second page or all page is section 2. Now I am go to the section 2 and turn off the link to previous option, then close the header and footer, then go to the first page and go back again the design, click the border option, choose box border and click the apply to this section option, then click OK. Then we can see here added this border only the first page. Now we can see we add border to specific pages in Microsoft Word very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.